Good evening, Louisa Redgetts with ABC News. Energy Minister Mark Bailey has been stood aside from his portfolio, losing his ministerial pay and entitlements as his email scandal continues to unfold. He's the fourth minister to lose a portfolio in this government, which is now on a razor's edge as an election looms.
The head of the state's watchdog conveniently fronted budget estimates today and fielded questions over the now infamous Mango Cube 6 at Yahoo.
The serious allegation, and it was serious, was that Minister Bailey was using a private email account to deliberately circumvent the ministerial trail, as it were, for his official account so that he could conduct nefarious business without being exposed publicly. We found no evidence whatsoever to substantiate that allegation.
What the CCC did find was deleting the account and losing public documents may have broken the law.
That by deleting emails and deactivating the account, there is potentially a breach of the Public Records Act.
With the Premier running low on replacement ministers, two will now take care of Mark Bailey's portfolios. The Environment Minister and the Treasurer will share the load.
This goes to the heart of this Labor government promised but has so far failed to deliver.
And it's emerged Mark Bailey wasn't alone.
Have you or your staff used private email addresses?
I have utilised my private email from time to time so that I could provide and access documents from home to continue my work as I do outside of work hours.
But the Attorney-General wasn't going to accept a lecture from the opposition.
If the member wants to cherry-pick what was released by the CCC yesterday, that's fine. But let's be absolute.
Cherry, Minister, it's a big cherry.
This is the fourth minister to be stripped of their portfolios: Sterling Hinchliffe, Leanne Donaldson and Joanne Miller.
Well, I think this is a very serious matter and we shouldn't treat it lightly. We've had a minister who has effectively defied convention and defied the rules and seems to be unrepentant about having done so.
While the State Archivist takes over the investigation, Mark Bailey will go without his ministerial salary. The Premier's office is now working on a new set of guidelines for ministers to help give clarity about what's an appropriate use of private emails when related to work business. Josh Bavis, ABC News, Brisbane.